What's the meaning of Class A drug? Class A drug. Class A drug.
Class A drug. Class A drug. A Class A drug is the highest classification for illegal drugs in the UK. It includes drugs such as cocaine, heroin, and MDMA. Possession, supply or production of Class A drugs can result in severe legal penalties, including lengthy prison sentences. Class A drugs are considered to be the most harmful and dangerous, with a high risk of addiction and negative health effects. They also have a significant impact on society, including crime rates and public health. As such, the UK government has strict laws and enforcement measures in place to combat their use and distribution.